North Harford Park is situated in northeast Baltimore and serves a diverse cross-section of Baltimore's communities. It provides important recreational resources in an area of the city where access to public open space is limited. The park suffers from overuse, vandalism, storm damage, and deferred maintenance, all of which have combined to detract from the experience of using the park and from the health of the landscape. In 2021, Baltimore City's Department of Recreation and Parks, BCRP, engaged a team of landscape architects to undertake a neighborhood outreach campaign and to develop, with the community's input, a framework plan that would guide the phased renewal of the park. The resulting master plan features a diverse mix of activities and landscape character zones, ranging from bustling, extraverted activity zones to walking trails for fitness and lushly planted niches for individual respite and retreat. Since the planning process wrapped up, Ceci Landscape Architects and a multidisciplinary team of sub-consultants have continued assisting BCRP with the technical design and documentation of all phases of implementation. Congratulations to Ceci Landscape Architects.